How to use state home insurance and properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. State home insurance is a popular option in New Zealand, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or overpaying. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Rising construction and repair costs mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing possessions. Regularly review your coverage to ensure it reflects your home's current value. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. State policies include personal liability coverage, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage another home. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Renovations, moving, or acquiring new valuables can affect your coverage needs. Not informing state may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also overlook discounts. State offers savings for bundling home and car insurance, installing approved security devices, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize state home insurance ins. Ensure coverage reflects your home's true value. Maintain sufficient liability protection. Update your policy regularly. Take advantage of discounts and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects both your home and peace of mind.